In today's video, I'm going to show you in two methods how to see when TikTok account was created. Launch TikTok on a mobile device. Tap on profile icon, look at the bottom right corner of screen, and scroll through videos and find the very first one you posted. Look at the date when first video was published. This date is likely close to when your account was created. Second method is by using email. Launch email app you use to sign up for TikTok. In the search bar, type sender address tiktok.com. Look through emails from TikTok and find first one you received. Open first email and note date it was received. This date corresponds to when your account was created. If this doesn't work for you, open TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to the content and display and tap on activity center. Next tap on watch history and scroll all the way down to your first one, and your first video you watch is date when you create TikTok.